Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today we have this challenge on Leetcode. Find words containing character. You are given a zero index array of strings and a character X. Return an array of indices representing the words that can contain the character X. Note that the returned array may be returned in any order. So you see the character E is present in both the first word and the second word. Therefore, the indices both 0 and 1 is returned here. And similarly, here A is at first and the third number. So 0 and 2, the indices of 0 and 2 is returned here. So it's quite easy. All you need to do, the constraints are also really small, 50 and 50. So you can just do a nested for loop. So you can iterate through the strings, and again in the strings you can iterate through each of the character and check whether X is present or not. So let's quickly do that. So this we have it, and again for j equal to this, j less than str dot size j plus plus. All you need to do that if str of I is str of j is equals x, then you need to have a final answer array in which you need to push back. So answer dot push back, answer dot push back this j, this I, and break it. Okay, so also you have a vector integer answer and you need to return answer. Let's try to run it. This should be all I guess. So yeah, so let's try to submit it. So yeah, we do have the accepted thing. Our runtime is quite okay. Yeah, and this was a really simple problem, and I hope your day is going to be very easy too. So thank you so much.